Now the fifth question is, solve the equation 6x power 4 minus 35x cube plus 62x square minus 35x plus 6 is equal to 0. So we can observe that the coefficient of the first term is equal to the coefficient of the last term. The coefficient of the second term is equal to the coefficient of the second term from the end. So this is type 1 even degree equation. This is a degree is 4. So type 1 even degree reciprocal equation. So it can be written as, we can take x square outside from here. We can take x square outside. So if we take x square outside, then what will happen here? This first term will be 6x square. The second term will be minus 35x. The third term will be 62 minus, this will be 35 by x plus 6 by x square is equal to 0. So this x square I am going to take to that side. That will be 0 into x square is 0. Then I can combine the first term and last term, the second term and this term. I can combine. So now 6x square plus 6 by x square minus 35x minus 35x 35 by x plus 62 is equal to 0. So from this first two term I can take 6 outside. This will be x square plus 1 by x square minus 35 I can take outside. This will be x plus 1 by x plus 62 is equal to 0. So I can substitute t is equal to 1 by x here. T is equal to 1 by x I can substitute. Then I want to find out t square. What is t square? T square is nothing but x plus 1 by x whole square. That is, I am squaring on both sides. So t square is equal to, this is a plus b whole square formula. That is a square plus b square plus 2ab. In the place of a you have x. In the place of b you have 1 by x. This x and x will be cancelled. So t square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. So this plus 2 I am going to take to that side. That will be minus 2. So t square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So t should be replaced by x plus 1 by x. Then x square plus 1 by x square can be replaced by t square minus 2. So this one I can take as a second equation. So in this equation I can replace x square plus 1 by x square as t square minus 2. X plus 1 by x as t. So here I am replacing 6 into t square minus 2 minus 35t plus 62 is equal to 0. Then if I multiply inside, I will get 6t square minus 12 minus 35t plus 62 is equal to 0. This minus 35t I am writing here. Minus 12, this is plus 62. That is nothing but plus 50. So 56 are 300. So 300 should be factorized. 15 20s are. 300 should be factorized by 15 20s are. So I can divide by this coefficient 6. So this will be minus 5 by 2. This will be minus 10 by 3. So I can write this as t minus 5 by 2. This as t minus 10 by 3. So now t is equal to pi by 2. T is equal to 10 by 3. After getting the t answer, I should replace t by x plus 1 by x. Again, this one I can take as a fourth equation and this one I can take as a fifth equation. Now fourth equation, t is equal to 5 by 2. So t answer is x plus 1 by x, that is equal to 5 by 2. I can take x as LCM. So x into x, x square plus 1 is equal to 5 by 2. So I can multiply by 2 here and I can multiply by x. So this will be 2x square plus 2 is equal to 5x. I can take all the terms together for solving. 2x square minus 5x plus 2. Here the coefficient of x square is 2. The constant term is 2. The both should be multiplied and I will get 2 2s are 4. So 4 should be factorized. That is minus 4 minus 1. Again I need to divide by the coefficient of this x square by 2 by 2. So this will be minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2 comma 1 by 2. The fifth equation I can write as x plus 1 by x is equal to 10 by 3. Again I can take as a LCM, x as LCM. So this will be x into x, x square plus 1 is equal to 10 by 3. This can be multiplied and this will be 3x square plus 3 is equal to 10x. All the terms together I am going to take 3x square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. So again I can factorize 3 3s are 9. So minus 9 minus 1. With 3 I can divide. So x minus 3 into x minus 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 3 comma 1 by 3. Therefore the four solutions are 2 comma 1 by 2, 3 comma 1 by 3. So clearly we can observe that the first root is a reciprocal of the second root. The third root is a reciprocal of the fourth root. That's why this equation is called reciprocal equation. Now the second question is x power 4 plus 3x cube minus 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Here the sum of the coefficient clearly we can observe is 0. So if the sum of the coefficient is 0 means x is equal to 1 is the root of the polynomial. So if x is equal to 1 is the root of the polynomial means we can divide using the synthetic division and we can find out the other roots. So we can write the coefficient, all the coefficient I am writing. So 1, 3, 0, minus 3, minus 1. Since why I am writing 0 here? Since I don't have x square coefficient, instead of that I am writing 0. So 0, 1, 1 into 1, 1, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 into 1, 4, again 4, 4 into 1, 4, here 4, 1, 0. The quotient is x cube plus 4x square plus 4x plus 1. The remainder is 0. Consider the equation x cube plus 4x plus 4x plus 1. Sum of the alternate coefficients are equal. So this one coefficient is 1. This is also 4. So sum of the alternate coefficient is 5. Here also 5. Therefore x is equal to minus 1 is a factor. X is equal to minus 1 is a factor. So to finding the other factors we can use using the synthetic division. So I am going to write the only the coefficient 1, 4, 4, 1. Here minus 1, 0, 1, 1 ones are 1, minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 3 ones are 3, minus 3, 4 minus 3 is 1, here I am 0, I am getting 0. Quotient is x square plus 3x plus 1 and the remainder is 0. The second degree polynomial we can solve using the formula method. So I am going to use x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a method. So in the place of b I have 3, in the place of a I have 1, in the place of c I have 1. So just like that I am going to substitute in this formula. I am going to get the answer here. X is equal to minus 3 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. Therefore the four roots are minus 1 plus 1, minus 3 plus or minus root 5 by 3. So here clearly we can observe that this is the first root is reciprocal of the second root with the opposite sign, and the third root and fourth root is the reciprocal of the thing and which is having the opposite sign.